Hi there, I'm Sergio from Best Reviews, and today we're going over Certifier, an online digital certificate and badge platform that fully automates digital credential management, so you can stop wrestling with design files, email copy, and delivery logistics for every certificate you issue.
Welcome to Best Reviews.
The platform saves you hundreds of hours on projects that require certificates or badges, from webinars, workshops, and mentorship sessions to more professional certification programs like OSHA and CPD/CPE. In this video, we'll show you how Certifier works, how it can help you, and which features stood out the most during our testing. You'll also get a look at pricing, support, and what to expect if you're just getting started. Let's start with what Certifier does. It automates certificate management, eliminating the tedious manual work involved in issue credentials at scale. Imagine you are issuing 200 certificates for a language learning course. You will have to design, write the copy, and deliver all certifications manually to your learners. That will require hours of tedious work that could be allocated elsewhere. Plus, there's a lot of room for mistakes to happen when you're doing something so repetitive manually. And while it's true that users not familiar with this type of platform may require a few days to master it, its intuitiveness definitely helps speed up the process. In fact, you should be able to issue your first certificate or badge in under 10 minutes using Certifier. The platform is recommended for anyone issuing credentials, whether you're managing OSHA compliance certifications or sending out webinar attendance badges. Certifier's template library is huge. We're talking about over 2,000 options across categories like training, participation, and completion. You can filter by style or color, and the drag-and-drop editor makes customization easy and straightforward. What really stood out is the support for dynamic attributes and QR codes. You can personalize each certificate with recipient names, issue dates, instructor details, and even links to a custom verification page via QR. It's also possible to group certificates by course or event and customize everything from certification type and price to skills, earning criteria, and email templates. Once your groups are set up, you can upload recipient info in bulk using a spreadsheet, map the data, preview everything, and schedule when certificates are sent. You can even make real-time changes to certificates after they've been issued, which is a big win in our books. For better organization, Certifier allows you to create multiple branded workspaces, enabling you to manage credentials for different teams, clients, or brands. It also provides each recipient with a personalized login-free portal where they can view, download, and share their accolades, including a one-click option to share them to LinkedIn. Nothing can be improved if it isn't measured. Thankfully, the platform includes an analytics dashboard where you can track email opens, certificate views, LinkedIn shares, downloads, and more. It provides valuable insights into different metrics, showing how recipients are engaging with their credentials to help you understand what needs some tweaks. For larger teams, Pathways is especially helpful. It's a tool that allows you to automate multi-step learning journeys and only issue credentials once specific milestones are met. Certifier integrates with major apps like Google Sheets, Google Forms, and Microsoft Excel, as well as marketing platforms like Zapier, MailChimp, HubSpot, and WordPress. There's also API access for custom workflows. While there's no mobile app, Certifier works well in mobile browsers. The recipient portal is fully responsive, but we recommend using a desktop for editing certificates. The first information you should know about Certifier's pricing is that you pay according to the number of credentials you need to issue per year. The service supports up to 50,000 certificates annually, so large-scale projects can become pricey. That being said, Certifier has a free starter plan for up to 250 credentials per year, which is an excellent choice for small programs. With the same number of credentials, paid plans start at $33 per month when billed annually. They also offer expanded user access, attributes, and customization. The advanced plan is more expensive but includes features like role-based access, SSO, custom domains, and pathways. It's possible to get 50% off all plans by using our code, BESTREVIEWS15. Plus, in addition to a 14-day free trial that you can get by getting in touch with the company, there's a free demo if you want to explore the platform before committing. You can also take advantage of the 30-day money-back guarantee if you decide Certifier isn't for you. Support is available via live chat and email. During our test, we received a helpful email response in under 10 minutes, and we were happy with the response we got. Additionally, There's also an extensive help center which is packed with tutorials, a blog, FAQs, and even a free AI certificate generator to get you started. Certifier is also active on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, so it's easy to stay in the loop of new product updates. Certifier is a smart solution for anyone issuing credentials. It cuts down on repetitive work, helps maintain brand consistency, and provides issuers and recipients with an impressive experience. Thanks to an extensive template library, powerful automation, bulk issuing, and advanced analytics, Certifier is a prime option in the certification issuing and management industry. Beginners may need a few days to get used to the platform, and large-scale needs can get pricey. Still, these aren't deal breakers, especially for educational and training professionals. We recommend starting with the free plan or using the free trial to try out a paid version risk-free. For more details and the latest deals, check out our full review at bestreviews.net. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!